There are moments that awaken a nation, not with noise, but with knowing. Not with fire, but with a shared flame. A light we pass from one heart to another. Today is one such moment. This is not just a concert. This is not just a talk. This is a calling, a gathering of anchors. Isang milyong gabay. 1 million lights ready to guide.
May bagong umagang parating. May bagong umagang parating. Bagong umaga Gaano man kabigat ang dinadala, gaano man ang hirap na nadarama sa buhay mo.
No matter how dark your mental health issue is, there is hope. No matter how hopeless a student may appear, there is hope. No matter how impossible the goal looks, there is hope. If God can heal me, He can heal anybody.
We need to empower the youth, empower the students so that they will be effective as junior mental health coaches. They have to feel empowered. We have to facilitate and train them to be advocates for mental health and to champion peer coaching so that they can help others.
Why 1 million coaches? Because change doesn't begin in our clinics as physicians and the convent as nuns. It should begin in the homes, it should begin in schools, in parishes, in barangays, in every community. This movement is about reclaiming our humanity. It's about creating bridges between science and spirit, between systems and stories.
Showing up has been, I think, my superpower. I showed up when business was down, when I had a closure, when I showed up. And today, I am showing up for Anchored 1M because that is my greatest superpower. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everyone.
Whether you're an educator, a student, a faith leader, a healer, or a parent, you can be part of that 1 million. Together, we will build a more emotionally resilient Philippines and Asia. Because healing isn't just a dream, it is a movement, and it starts with you and I. Maraming salamat po and good afternoon.